Howdy. Some rando asked me to make a little video of my gun here. It's a replica of the Metro bicycle gun found in Metro last light. It's welded construction made from I think it was a Dunlop bicycle. We just cut it apart and welded new parts onto there. It's just a prop. It doesn't function in any way. Yeah, you got a little trigger down here. Doesn't really do anything, just looks kind of neat. It's not connected to anything. I think this is just this is a clamp holding on what looks like a trigger mechanism, but doesn't function. And then yeah, the barrels just kind of rotate. But you know, I think it's kind of neat, but it doesn't function in any kind of way. So yeah, there you go. Ask and I shall deliver.